Today's episode is Knife Winner Pulls the Fire Alarm, Our School /Suspended /Grounded. Season 2 Episode 2.
Alright class, today, we will be learning about the Statue of Liberty. Question: what did the Statue of Liberty was built? Light bulb winner?
Well, in 1865, the construction of the Statue of Liberty started. And in late October 1886, it is finally opened for good.
Good job, light bulb winner, that is correct. Now, my great-grandmother was born before the Statue of Liberty was finished. Now, when was my great-grandmother born? If you know it, shout it out.
The 19th of July 1886.
Cool. Now, when did the Statue of Liberty travel to USA? Microphone biggest winner? It should be June 17, 1885. Good job, microphone biggest winner, you are correct. Now, who owned the Statue of Liberty? Knife winner?
Can I go to the bathroom, please?
Knife winner, this is not an answer. But, you can go to the bathroom, but be quick, because we will start our period in 5 minutes.
Okay. Since I'm not going to the toilet, I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Now time to pull it in 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes! Now let's go outside.
Guys, let's go outside since the fire alarm is off. Since we are outside, let's take register. Light bulb winner?
Here.
Suitcase winner? Here. Microphone biggest winner? Here. Caillou?
Here.
Rosie? Here. Clementine? Here. Leo?
Here.
Classic Caillou?
Here.
Knife biggest winner?
Here.
Classic knife winner?
Here.
And finally, knife winner? Knife winner? Does anyone know where knife winner is?
I think he is pretending he is a principal.
Now, let's wait.
Attention students and staff. This is not a drill. Someone just pulled the fire alarm. If it is you, then please report to my office.
Knife winner, we are not happy because of you pulling the fire alarm and making autistic child crying during a fire drill, which is Ethan. Now, you gotta act mature. And for this, you are suspended for over 594043020102034059694939 years. Go home now. But, no buts. Go home now. Wah! Knife winner, I got a call from Headmaster Nate, saying that you have pulled the fire alarm at school. Is that true? Yes, Dad, it is true. Knife winner, how dare you pull the fire alarm? S2Ep2, you're grounded for 2 9393949392020294945958483929101049585 years. Go to your room now. Wah!